In this video, we're going to take a look at cardinality and equivalent sets. This notation is our mathematical notation that represents the cardinal number of a set. It is read N of A. It's the cardinal number of set A, and it's the number of distinct elements that are in set A. So then if I had notation here, N of B, that would be the cardinal number for set B, the number of distinct elements in set B. All right, now, two sets can be equivalent. All right, so set A can be equivalent to set B if they contain the same number of elements. So basically, you find the cardinal number for any two sets that you would want to compare, and then if the cardinal number is the same, then you have equivalent sets. So we're just going to focus on three real quick examples here on just finding those cardinal numbers. All right, so if I want the cardinal number of set A, all I have to do is take a look at my set. There are 4 unique elements in set A, so then that means the cardinal number of A is going to be equal to 4. All right, in the second example, it's the empty set. The empty set does not contain any elements, so therefore the cardinal number of the empty set is going to be 0. All right, now this one right here, the set B here has 13, 14, 15, and then the dots in the center, and then 22 and 23. All right, you cannot just count the numbers that you see. This is indicating every number between 13 and 23. So you would have to list them all out and count them up, and you're going to see that there are 11 numbers there. So the cardinal number for set B is going to be 11. All right, now if I wanted to compare any of these sets and see if they were equal, I would just be comparing these cardinal numbers. I do not have any that are equal, so none of these sets are equivalent sets with each other. All right, so just a really short, quick video here on cardinality and equivalent sets, things that you're going to see in a beginning set theory class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.